Go over an LED work light from the company EEFOW, and just looking over the box here, you know what? You got two modes of lights: white light, yellow light, light brightness, high bright white light, and it's low white. You know what? Enough of that. Let's just open it up and let's check it out. And just to know, everybody, it takes a Milwaukee battery, which is what I have right here, a Milwaukee lithium, and I think this is the M18 battery. You get a little set of instructions with it, but there's really not much to this thing. Basically, you just mash the button on the side and slide the battery in. You get a little handle on it right here, very nicely packaged in there. And this one has a output for charging a cell phone. You got a USB-C and a USB coming out of this thing. It doesn't use the like charge the battery. You do need a Milwaukee battery and charger. I have Milwaukee tools, so I have a battery and a charger. And to use this thing, you just slide it on right there, and you can see the adjustment. You have the amount adjustment here. You see the handle goes down. What I like about this handle, you can hold it like this. You can use it to prop up on something. If I'm working under a car, I can lay it down flat. Check it out. Just like that. Very bright, everybody. It has a very bright light. That hurts my eyes looking at it. There's the low, there's the yellow light, the low yellow, and then that's it. So it's got 4 modes on it: high, low, white, high, low, yellow. And that's all it is. I'll show some footage of using it at night, because I did use this thing at night, moved it around. It worked extremely well in the backyard, shining around my shed, different spots like that. I see no issues with this thing at all. I think this is a great addition to anyone that just needs a affordable work light that uses existing batteries that you already have. Or if you're thinking of getting tools, getting some Milwaukee tools, use this battery. Get you a set of battery and a charger and this work light, and then just start building up your, your supply there. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the EEFOW Milwaukee work light. See you on the next video.